Grafting tape for use in nurseries is a self-sealing tape for the grafting and budding of trees, shrubs, plants and flowers. It allows gases to pass through, yet is an excellent moisture barrier for grafting and budding. Some of its features are that it is eco-friendly and is good when it comes to the plant's life. It does no harm to the environment as it does not cause pollution and is degradable and can be used in sunlight. It is waterproof, flexible, stretchable and self-adhesive with a gentle stretch. It has good transparency for interface healing and can help reduce labor costs and increase survival rates. What makes this product special is that it is biodegradable. It naturally degrades after 3 months of use and totally disappears after 12 months.